So you hit that, now I got positive 53.130, put up, right? Do you see it or no? Is everybody following me?
Yes,
Are you using your calculator? Or? Okay. So the number I got is 53.130100235, yes or no? Okay, so that, what is that? That's this angle right here, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's write it down. 53.13010 235. Check me out and make sure I'm doing all right. Because see, I'm trying to look on here and then look over here. It's somewhat complicated. I don't know what we did. Oh, here it is. Okay. Now let's verify it. Okay, so is this angle the same as that angle?
Yes.
All right, so let's solve for this angle. I better come up with that number, huh? All right, let's solve for it. What do you want to use? You want to use A, O, or H? What do you want? You have to use two things. What do you want to use? A and A?
Yeah.
A and A?
A and H.
Okay, no.
A and H.
Well, I don't care. Somebody decides. You got two answers.
A and H.
A and H. Okay, so I got A and H. Where do I have A and H up there? Cosine.
Cosine.
Let's use something else. We used cosine
Okay.
last time.
A and O.
A and O. What's A and O?
Tangent. Yep.
All right. Am I trying to find an angle?
Yes.
So it's second function, right?
Yep.
So I got A and O, right? So what is O in this? Now this is not. I'm not over here. Because if I'm over here, I'm gonna get myself screwed up because A is here and O is here. Over here is O is here and A is here. You see it?
Right.
That's why I gotta tag it, all right, what my angle is. So we decided to use O and A, and that's tangent. So O is 4 and A is 3. Is that true?
Yes.
So I'm gonna go 4 divided by 3 equals second function tangent. What number did you guys get? 53.130100235?
Yep.
That is amazing.
Math.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes, great.
You guys are good on that? See what I did?
Yes.
Now, how long has it been so far? I've been talking for 5 minutes, yeah?
15 minutes and 51 seconds.
Have I really?
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
I came in 10 minutes ago.
Oh, okay. Well,
You're going to have to change your story to 20 minutes.
I did a review, yeah. All right, now if I did minus 90, it'd come up to 36.86989765. Yes or no? Yeah. All right, now I'm going to pretend I don't have a side. Pretend. See, I know it's 5, but I'm going to pretend I don't have it, yeah?
Okay.
And I'm going to pretend I have an angle and a side. I have an A, and I have an angle, which is that angle here. So let's find the side. I don't know that that's 5. Since I don't know that's 5, I do know this angle is 53.13, whatever it is, right? So what we're trying to do now is say then, okay, if I'm trying to find a side, I gotta go first function. But I'm gonna try to find H. And I have A. So where is it that I have A and H only? That's in the cosine area, right?
Right.
Right. Now I need to solve for H. So this is just a matter of algebra. So I could have chose a better one, but this will work. So cosine of the angle, here's how you figure this out. This is only algebra. Cosine of the angle, which I know the angle is 53.130. Cosine of the angle equals A divided by H. And I'm trying to find H. So in order to find H, I have to have H on one side by itself. So what's the opposite of division? So then H times this and H times this, then the H's cancel out. Isn't that true?
Yes.
Now I have H times cosine of the angle equals A. But that's not what I'm looking for.
5 by cosine.
I'm looking for, exactly. So whoever said that, was that Donovan?
Yeah.
Okay, so H now, what's the opposite of multiplication is division. So if I divide by cosine, then I have to divide by cosine here. and then these cancel
Cancel.
out, so now I have h equals a divided by cosine of the angle. Now that took a little time to do, but I'm just saying you could do that in your head. I mean, that's just algebra. That's just saying I get h by itself, and but how would I do that? Yeah. So you guys got that. So h I don't know what it is. A I do know what it is, and the angle I know what it is. Yes.
Yes.
So a is 3, and cosine of angle x, and that's angle x right here. Right? That's angle x. Do you agree?
Yes.
All right, so let's do that. So let's go 3, erase everything. 3 divided by 53.130102235. Now it's first function because we're trying to find a side, yes?
Yes.
And what we said was cosine, right?
Yes. So we don't push equals, we push cosine.
No, just push cosine.
Okay.
Equals. Cosine equals, what do I get? 5. Oh my God.
I must have done something wrong on my calculator.
equals after this.
Oh,
You
okay.
got a 5?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, and not only a 4.95, it's 5.
Exactly on the dot.
It's 5. Where is Richard? Richard, where are you?
Who's Richard?
59.9 degree hertz. Where's 59? Richard, where's 59 hertz? So you can see this is the case. Now what did I do? I didn't do anything. What 15, 20 minutes you said, yeah?
Yes,
A
20 minutes.
complete trigonometry course in 15 to 20 minutes. You cannot do, there's nothing you can not do with that. All you gotta remember is that information, sine is equal O divided by H, cosine is equal to A divided by H, tangent is equal to O divided by A, and if you're trying to find a side, it's first function, and if you're trying to find an angle, it's second function, and all triangles, then you have to draw them out. This is where everybody here is going to fall down if you don't do this. Draw it out, put your H where it belongs, put your A where it belongs, put your O where it belongs, because look, those two triangles are identical, even though I drew them kind of haphazardly, not identical. Then the O and the A's flip around. When the A's and O's flip around, this is going to confuse you, so draw it out. Tick your angle that you're talking about. You see those ticks? And then label it O and A and H, and you can't go wrong. There's nothing you can make a mistake on.